Motors, Prodigy Boats. One heck of a combination. That's right. Dead stuck in the mud, they're running. Here we go. At a crossover a sandbar, no problem. Gaining speed. That's how you do it. Right there.